afternoon, everyone. I'm Vijeta, currently pursuing computer science and artificial intelligence at Plaksha. I was born and brought up in a small village in Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. While India produces lakhs of engineers every year, I would be among the first five in my village. On top of it, I'm just the second female getting an engineering degree in my village. So I grew up in a joint family with 6 siblings. So there was not much space for another kid to talk a lot. Hence, I became the quietest. My mother, being a teacher, put me in school when I was 2.5 years old. And by the time I was in second grade, I learned tables till 50. And my teacher literally scolded me for learning a little bit too much. Then came Vidyagan School, where I spent 7 years of my life. In the 10th grade, I applied to Young Tech Scholars Program hosted by Plaksha University, and those 15 days changed everything for me. I worked on a project that involved monitoring the signals of human heart through ECG, and that experience of building things stuck with me, and I continued the same project back in my school. Fast forward to a few years, and last summer, I was on the other side of the table as I was mentoring the same project as senior teaching assistant at Plaksha. After YTS, Plaksha felt like the obvious choice for me. And trust me, it lived up to the hype. The kind of opportunities I have had here is not something that every other campus would offer. As part of my coursework at Plaksha, I worked on several projects, some of which hit even closer to home. So my grandfather was a diabetic, and every sugar level test meant pricking his finger, and which was very frustrating to watch for me. So when I got the first chance to work on non-invasive glucose monitoring with Professor Deepan, I knew that I had to be a part of it. The idea of tech solving the real-world problem and contributing to social good is what drives me personally. Further, I wanted to be a part of something that inspires women to take up STEM as their career. Therefore, I joined the Juice Club at Plaksha. We hold workshops for high school women, specifically tech workshops. We also conduct events in our campus for women to get into tech and to experiment with things. Further, I'm working with Professor Balakrishna on Project Ravi, reading assistant for visually impaired. So it's a tool that is designed to make digital content available to all sort of audience. So at Plaksha, I learned that tech is more than just refining code or writing pieces of code. It's more about making the world more inclusive. Plaksha gave me the opportunity to explore that I did not even know about. And thankfully, Bharti Foundation believed in me as much as I believed in myself. And to me, that has been the most valuable part of this journey. Thank you.